In this video, we will show you 10 effective solutions to fix emergency calls only on Android. Fix 1. Ensure strong signal. Ensure your phone is in an area with strong signal reception. If the signal is weak, try moving to a more open area or near a window to improve signal strength. If the issue persists, proceed to the next steps. Fix 2. Check your SIM card. Step 1. Ensure that the SIM card is activated and can be used normally. Step 2. Remove the SIM card and check for physical damage like scratches or cracks. Step 3. Reinsert the SIM card into your phone, ensuring it is properly placed in the slot. Step 4. If you suspect the SIM card is faulty, try using a different SIM card to see if the problem persists. Fix 3. Disable airplane mode. Step 1. Swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick settings menu. Step 2. Find and tap the airplane mode icon to turn it off. Step 3. Check if your phone regains a normal connection. Fix 4. Switch your network type. Step 1. Go to your phone's settings menu. Step 2. Find the mobile networks option. Step 3. Switch to a different network type and see if the issue is resolved. Fix 5. Choose your network provider manually. Step 1. Open your phone's settings menu. Step 2. Select network operators. Then, turn off select automatically and choose your network provider from the list. Fix 6. Check for software updates. Step 1. Open your phone's settings menu and scroll to software update. Step 2. Check for available updates and install them if found. Fix 7. Reset network settings. Step 1. Go to settings and select system or general management. Step 2. Find reset options and choose reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth. Confirm the reset, then restart your phone. Fix 8. Restart your phone. A simple restart can sometimes fix many minor issues, including emergency calls only. Press and hold the power button, select restart, and see if the problem is resolved. Fix 9. Use Android Repair. Step 1. After installing the program on your PC, launch it and connect your Android device to the computer. Select the System Repair option followed by Android. Step 2. From the interface, choose your phone's name, model, and country or region. Once selected, enter 0000 for confirmation and click Next to proceed. Step 3. Follow the on-screen instructions to put your Android device into download mode. Click Next, and the tool will begin downloading the Android firmware and flashing the new firmware to your Android device. After some time, your Android device will be successfully repaired. Fix 10. Contact your carrier. If the issue persists, it might be due to network problems from your service provider. Contact your carrier to inquire if there are any service outages or account issues.